Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss equations. Let us define equation and terms related to equations. Equation is nothing but it's a mathematical statement consisting of one or more variables associated with an equality sign. For example, 2x plus 3 is equals to 5y plus 8. This is called an equation. Here we have variables and these are associated with equality sign. Now let's see what is a conditional equation. If an equation is satisfied by at least one real number, then it is called a conditional equation. If I say x plus 3 is equals to 5, it is satisfied when x is equals to 2, right? So if it is satisfied by at least one real number, then it is called a conditional equation. Then identity is nothing but which is satisfied by all real numbers is known as an identity. For example, if it is 2 into x plus 3 by 2 is equals to 2x plus 3. In this, if you take any value of the x, it is satisfied on both the sides. Then it is called an identity. Now let's see some more terms related to equations. Let's see what is a degree. Degree is nothing but highest power of a variable is called degree of the equation. Say for example, x plus 3 is equals to 5. So in this, the variable power, that is x power is 1. Therefore, the equation degree is equals to 1. Right? If I consider one more example, if it is 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. In this example, the variable x power is 2. Therefore, its degree is 2. Based on the degree of the equation, equations are classified as linear equation, quadratic equation and cubic equation. Now let's see what is a linear equation. If the variable power is 1, then it is called a linear equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Here variable x power is 1, so it is called a linear equation. So the general representation of linear equation is ax plus b is equals to 0. Now let's see what is a quadratic equation. If the variable degree is equals to 2, then it is called a quadratic equation. This one example is 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Here variable power is 2, right? So the general representation of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now let's see what is a cubic equation. The word cubic means power is 3. That is, when the variable degree is 3, such type of equation is known as cubic equation. So the one example is 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Here degree, that is highest power of the variable, is 3. So it is called a cubic equation. So the general representation of cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. Now let's see what is a solution or root. The value of a variable for which an equation is satisfied is called solution or root. For example, if it is 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now for which value of the variable this equation is satisfied. That means once we substitute x is equals to certain value, its value is going to be 0. Then we can say that the equation is satisfied. Such value is known as solution or root of the given equation. For example, 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. That means 2x is equals to minus 1, which implies x is equals to minus 1 by 2. That is, if you substitute in this x is equals to minus 1 by 2, the resulting is going to be 0. Therefore, we can say that x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is a solution or root for the given equation. Now let's see what is a simple equation. If an equation is represented in terms of a single variable, then it is called a simple equation. Say for example, x plus 3 is equals to 5. Here it is represented in terms of x. It is also a linear equation as the power of the variable is 1, right? Now let's solve some illustrations based on simple equations. Let us solve the question number 1. This is a simple equation as the power of the variable is 1 and here we have only one unknown variable, that is x. Let us solve this question by bringing all the variables to one side and constants to another side, that is minus 7x. So plus 3x, this will be equals to 5 minus 1, right? So minus 7x plus 3x is minus 4x. This is equals to 5 minus 1, 4. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1, right? So the option is B. Let us solve the second question. Here it is given the value of y satisfies the equation. So one method to solve this is by taking LCM and simplifying, and one more method is by using trial and error method. So first we'll simplify on the left hand side. So by taking LCM, so the LCM is going to be 18, right? 6 and 9 LCM is 18. So this has to be multiplied with 3. So 3 into y plus 11. So that is 3y plus 33 minus 9 should be multiplied with 2 to get 18. So 2 into y plus 1, that is minus 2 into y minus 2y minus into plus, it will become minus 2. This is equals to y plus 7 by 4, right? So here we can subtract 3y minus 2y, which is y, and here it is plus 31 by 18 is equals to y plus 7 by 4. So here we will do the cross multiplication. So it will be 4y plus 31 into 4, which is nothing but 124. This is equals to 18y plus 18 into 7. It's 126. Now we'll bring 4y to this side and 126 to this. So 124 minus 126, it is minus 2. This is equals to 18y minus 4y, it's 14y, right? So which implies y is equals to minus 2 by 14, or we can write it as minus 1 by 7, right? So the option is D. In next session, we'll discuss word problems based on linear equations. Thank you for listening and have a great day.